Not long ago, I was living in a beautiful home that I personally renovated quite extensively, with a good-sized yard. It was a good house, nothing was wrong with it. But what I didn't realize at the time was, it was quietly exhausting me. There was always something to deal with. Not big things, little things. Maintenance, upkeep, projects I meant to get to, rooms I wasn't really using, but still had to maintain. And I like staying busy, so I didn't think much of it. Until I moved. When I downsized into a smaller place, something unexpected happened. The mental weight lifted. It wasn't dramatic, it was subtle. I just stopped thinking about all the things I should be taking care of. None of the tasks were hard on their own, but there were so many of them that together they became overwhelming. And I didn't even notice it until it was gone. Now, if you have kids at home, if your family is growing, if you need the space, a house absolutely makes sense. This isn't about saying houses are bad, it's about fit. Because if you're only using 800 or maybe 1,000 square feet of your home anyway, if extra bedrooms sit empty, if you walk past rooms you barely enter, it's worth asking a simple question. Does your home still match your life? Today, I live in a much smaller space. It's easier, it's cleaner, it's calmer. No lawn to mow, no snow to shovel, no constant list running in the background. Downsizing didn't feel like giving something up. It felt like relief. If you've been quietly wondering whether your home feels heavier than it used to, you're not alone. And you don't have to rush anything. But sometimes, a calm conversation with someone who's been there can bring a lot of clarity.